Welcome to our new interactive virtual multimedia platform. Our new multimedia platform is one of the most advanced virtual tour systems that we have ever utilized. Over the past 13 years, our ideas, thoughts, and suggestions have become real. Our new platform will be applied to every purchase. If you purchase our most basic package of professional still photography, it will come with a virtual tour. Our multimedia platform will allow you to store all different types of media in one place. Your virtual tour will syndicate to the Realtor.coms and Zillows of the world. You will be provided with several links after we create your tour. You can then download your media right from your email. The best feature about our new platform is it holds all different types of media. Add before and after photos. Have your virtually staged photos added to your tour. You now can order an entire 360-degree panoramic virtual tour. Or you can just add a few panoramics throughout your new platform to shake things up a bit. Every Sunday you will receive a detailed traffic report. This report is essential in showing your clients their website presence. Third-party flyers are a thing of the past. Download, email and print your property flyers directly from your tour. Your property information will be automatically added for you. This information is pulled from the MLS. Would you like to capture more leads? We can turn on the lead capture feature for you. Wanting to share your listing? Share from the tour. Order a single property website with a custom domain. Do you have clients who speak another language? We have a multilingual platform. Have you ordered a 3D walkthrough virtual tour? Let's add it as well. We can add hotspots to your floor plans. If you are wondering why Lisa isn't doing the voiceover on the presentation today, it is because she doesn't like the sound of her own voice in a recording. That is where I come in. I'm Sharon, and I can add a narration to your virtual tours too. Is your client wanting a twilight photo? We can add to your order and create that too, digitally. We greatly appreciate your time today. Call, text or order online. I think Lisa is about to shut me down.